Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
The question of how long it takes to repair a rim is far from a simple one, as the timeline can vary dramatically based on several critical factors, ranging from the type and severity of the damage to the specific materials of the wheel and the repair shop's expertise and current workload. For minor cosmetic damage, such as light curb rash or superficial scratches that haven't compromised the structural integrity of the wheel, you might be looking at a relatively quick turnaround. These types of repairs often involve sanding, filling, and repainting the affected area, and a skilled technician can sometimes complete this work within a few hours to a single business day, especially if it's a walk-in service and the shop isn't swamped. The process for these superficial fixes typically involves cleaning the rim thoroughly, carefully sanding down the damaged sections to create a smooth surface, applying a filler if necessary to even out any deeper gouges, and then meticulously color matching and applying new paint or clear coat. After painting, there's a crucial drying and curing period, which can add a few hours, but generally, the wheel can be ready for reinstallation quite swiftly. However, the repair duration escalates significantly when dealing with more substantial issues like bends, dents, or cracks. A bent rim, often caused by hitting a pothole or curb at speed, requires specialized hydraulic machinery to carefully reshape the metal back to its original factory specifications. This process is delicate, as excessive force or improper technique can weaken the rim further or even cause it to crack. Depending on the severity and location of the bend, straightening a rim can take anywhere from a few hours for a minor bend to a full day or more for a more complex deformation that requires multiple adjustments and checks for runout. Once straightened, the rim often undergoes a thorough inspection and may still need some cosmetic touch-ups. Cracked rims represent the most challenging and time-consuming repairs, and in some severe cases, they might even be deemed irreparable for safety reasons. Repairing a cracked rim typically involves welding, a highly specialized skill that requires precision and the correct welding equipment for the specific rim alloy. The crack must be properly prepped, welded, ground down smooth, and then often reinforced. After welding, the rim usually undergoes heat treatment to restore some of its original strength, followed by meticulous inspection to ensure structural integrity. This entire process, including the subsequent refinishing and painting to match the original appearance, can easily extend the repair time to 3 to 5 business days, and sometimes even longer, especially if the crack is extensive or if multiple cracks are present. The curing time for paints and clear coats after welding and refinishing also contributes to the overall duration. The material of the rim also plays a role. Aluminum alloy rims, which are common, are generally reparable, but their specific alloy composition can influence the ease and effectiveness of welding. Steel rims, though less common on modern passenger vehicles, are often more forgiving to straighten. Custom finishes like powder coating, chrome plating, or PVD finishes add another layer of complexity and time, as these processes require specialized equipment and often external services, extending the overall repair by several days for stripping, application, and curing. Finally, the chosen repair shop's workload is a major determinant. A highly reputable shop with a queue of vehicles will naturally take longer than a less busy one. Always call ahead, describe the damage, and get an estimated timeline and cost. For minor cosmetic repairs, expect a few hours to a day. For bends, anticipate 1 to 3 days. For cracks or significant structural damage, be prepared for 3 to 7 days or even more, particularly if a full refinish is required. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more automotive tips.